deck 6 is the only deck that has the middle row of rooms, but they are sideways interior rooms. So your bed is not straight in front of you when you walk in. It's to the side. Some of the cabins in this middle row have adjoining doors. Some don't. But what's nice is this extra space that you have over here compared to the other interior rooms. I think it's a little bit smaller. What's also nice is your bathroom and your closets are back to back in the hallway when you're walking in, banging into each other. So having this extra space over here, cold water, is nice. So someone can use the bathroom and someone can be getting ready and not in the way. So the setup obviously has the king bed with the two twins pushed together. It's really like a queen. Barely fits the nightstands on each side. This particular cabin does not have any plugs by the bed. There is
have this extra storage down here.
There is a outlet for the lamps back behind the bed, but I believe it is the European style outlet in case you're trying to charge something at night. You really won't be able to do it over here unless you have like a portable charger. You do have only one standard 115 volt plug and then a 220 the European style if you want an additional one. So extra lighting for your vanity. You don't have a real chair, stool. The Carnival towels, of course. Standard safe. Standard TV. It is really crappy. Carnival doesn't have a big channel selection, but even still, it was very difficult to try to use the remote. Volume down button did not work, so you have to use the one on the TV. However, when you get to the bottom, it thinks it's also powering off the TV, so it was really hard to turn the volume down. We're just not going to watch TV this whole trip. I was going to have it on the cameras for outside at night, but it's too hard to make that work. Currently, we're not using the mini fridge, but I have that as an available option in case we want to bring something back. Keep cool. Crappy hair dryer, junk drawer, got some ducks to hide, storage, hats, small trash can over here,
Nice comfy bed.
comfy bed, hot Wi-Fi sometimes included. The 3 cabinets come as 2 full-length hanging closets, and the last one is your combination of shelves. You can fold them up and hang additional stuff there if you'd like. And this one does have a mirror. Oop, don't look at these. Goodies stay in the jar. Couple hooks over here. We were hanging our lanyards here to grab them as we go, but with the ship rocking, it kept knocking against the wall. It got really annoying. The light, so we're gonna go dark here in a second. Oh, we got the lamp. We got a lamp on. The light was giving us trouble. You see, it kind of flickered on and off, and then randomly this morning it turned on itself. We were already awake, but we didn't touch this knob here, but it turned on its own somehow with this one getting bumped, which is for the bathroom. And speaking of the bathroom, hopefully we cleaned in here. It's just like any other interior or standard balcony cabin bathroom. I don't think it's any larger or any smaller. You have to step up. has an only shower. Some racks to store some stuff. All your necessities. You do have a plug in here. I don't think it's officially grounded, I'm not sure. But you can use that plug if you need it for your bathroom accessories. And all the same stuff you normally see in a Carnival cabin. In her too.
The temperature stayed pretty even throughout the night. Like it didn't get too hot or too cold.
We kept it on what it was on when we walked in, which is that, again, the end of December. However, it is about 80 degrees outside and it should be 80 degrees each day. So being in the middle of the ship, not with a balcony, not near the top, no problem. So far we've not really heard our neighbors. Hopefully they haven't heard too much of us. At night you can hear the casino below you. And this is on deck 6, casino's deck 5. We were right in the middle of the ship, and you can hear when people cheer. It's real faint. I mean, it's no different than like hearing people in the hallway. So
I was passed out. I didn't hear it.
yeah. So it didn't prevent me from going to sleep or anything like that. So I would recommend this because it costs the same as any other interior room. With that extra space, don't mind being above the casino. You can get one of these sideways interiors. When you're searching for your interior standard rooms, select midship and deck 6 and see if there's some available in this middle row. It's quite nice walking up the middle stairs, because then you're just walking right down the hallway here. If you go out that hallway, you go to the left or right, you loop around the elevator bank that's above the atrium. But again, it's really easy to get down to the middle of the action on deck 5 with those stairs right there.